Hi, I'm Ben Waxman, co-founder of American Roots. I'm so excited I get to take you on a tour of our factory. 100% American-made, union-made clothing by hardworking steelworkers, 90+ in Westbrook, Maine. Come with me. Okay, we're here on the cutting floor of American Roots. All of our cotton is grown in Texas, ginned in Alabama, spun in South Carolina, finished in North Carolina, put on a truck, brought up here to our factory here in Westbrook, Maine. Our team, Victor, Drago, Jose, they all work tirelessly to make sure that we have perfect cuts. We use a modern pattern system that allows for less waste. We've cut our waste from 22% to 2% over the last 10 years. This fabric, this is a cotton jersey. Fabric will be laid 40 to 50 to 60 ply, meaning layers. Pattern gets put on the top, laid entirely on the first layer, and it's a jigsaw puzzle. It's amazing. It allows for a perfect cut. Our finished products go here. There's numbers put on. Our cut team strives to make the cut absolutely perfect. The skilled labor that goes into cutting is where a great hoodie starts. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Behind me are the hardest working people I've ever met in my life. In this factory, we make the best sweatshirts, the best t-shirts with 100% American-made material, made by proud union workers from all over the world who've come to America to find that American dream. So I want to introduce Makenga and Ragad, who've been running our factory floor for almost 10 years now. Ragad oversees the day-to-day piece. Makenga oversees how the operational piece works. These are the two finest people. They started on the floor, they moved up, they've raised their families, and they are the reason why we have a company in many ways. I want to take you over to quality control. Quality is number one. You can't make things in America and not make a quality product. If you're going to pay a premium, we're going to guarantee it for as long as you own it. Ludovic, who's the head of our quality control, this is his team. Quality control starts over here. Every hoodie that we have is inspected with over 37 points of the hoodie and a part to construct it. The binding, the zipper line, the hood, the panels, the rib, all of it. Charlie, everyone else here does an incredible job getting it to a point. That's inspection one. Then goes to Ludovic for a check. It goes to Francisco, Marie over here. They do the final inspection. Frederick will check fixes. Once it's complete and the boss signs off, meaning my man Ludovic, it moves on to factory 2. 10 years ago, we had an idea to make a 100% American-made, union-made garment right here in Westbrook, Maine. We actually started in Portland in 900 square feet with my wife, Whitney Waxman, my mom, Dory, and Dan, my father. We sought to make a 100% American-made, union-made garment down to every thread. 10 years later, we're still standing in over 40,000 square feet here at the Dana Wart Mill in multiple facilities, employing over 90 hard-working Mainers and Americans, proud union members making the best product. You've seen our first factory. I want to introduce my business partner and love of my life, Whitney, who's going to show you the rest of the plant.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to American Roots. So we're here in Factory 2 now, and this is where the second part of the magic happens in our production process. This is our embellishment department, and more specifically right here, our screen print department. Chloe runs our screen print department, and she is an absolute magician on this machine. We have a ton of capabilities for our clients that we offer through screen printing, where we can work with their logos to make whatever they would like on their garments. And next, we're going to head over to our embroidery department. So now we're here in our embroidery department. This is one of my favorite departments because we're really able to offer so many capabilities to our clients and endless customization that we can offer for their logos or whatever they would like to put on a garment and customize for their needs. And lastly, we're here in our shipping department where all of our garments arrive. They get packaged and sent out to our clients to enjoy. So as you can see, American Roots is quite a large operation. We started this company with the mission to create good jobs and be able to contribute to our community. As you can see also, there's a wide range of skill sets that operate in this company. And so we're looking to add to that. We continue to grow. You don't necessarily need to come to us with the skill sets that are needed here. We do a lot of training, and we're really just looking for folks that want to work hard and contribute to our company and the community as well. So if you would like to come and work at American Roots, we'd love to talk to you. Come and see us.